Hi everyone, I'm Kai the Koala, and welcome to our Let's Go 2 homework adventure. Today, we'll have fun while working through your workbook together. Don't forget, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and catch up. Ready? Let's go! Today, we're reviewing Unit 1, At School. We learned about questions that we ask our friends. For example, if we want to know how they're doing, we ask, "How are you?" In Unit 1, we also learned how to ask about what things are. Sometimes there will be one thing, sometimes there will be many. When there's only one thing, we use this and that. We use this when it's close. We use that when it's far away. When there's more than one thing, we use these and those. We use these when there's a lot but close. We use those when it's a lot and far away. For example, I have this pen. But if my pen was far away, I would say that pen. Good. Let's say I have a charger for my phone. I would say, I have this charger. But if it's far away, I would say, I have that charger. But let's say I have two. Then I have these chargers. And if they're far away, we'll say, those chargers. Let's start our workbook homework together. On page 3, we will use the words on the bottom of the page to help us complete the sentences. The directions say read, trace, and write. Remember, trace means to follow the lines of the words and write them down. Number 1, it says, "Hi, Kate. How are you?" Kate says, "I'm okay, thanks." Let's trace. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect, but you do need to try your best. Let's move on to number 2. Scott says, "Goodbye, Kate." And Kate says, "See you later." Let's trace. Okay, for numbers 3 and 4, we're going to use the words that are in the box on the bottom of the page. We're going to use you, hi, see, I'm, and later. For number 3, Andy, how are, What can we use to ask this question? Well, there's a big hint. Because our word is at the beginning of the sentence, it needs to have a capital letter. It needs to have a big letter. So let's see in our word box which word has a capital letter. Oh, we see hi has a capital H, see has a capital S, and I'm has a capital I. Which word can we put in to ask this question? What is Jenny doing? She's going like this. Good. We'll say, "Hi, Andy. How are you?" Very good. Let's write. Andy says, "Pretty good, thanks. How about you?" Okay, what's Jenny going to say? Okay. 나는 괜찮아. Good. I'm okay. And number 4, you, Again, the first word is going to be capital. Let's look at the box. Good. See. See you later. Very nice. Let's go to the next page. On page 4, we're going to write the words and draw a line to the picture. For example, in number 1, the word is clock. To help us practice our writing and our spelling, we are going to trace and write. Good. Now, let's find the picture of the clock. Nice. In number 2, the word is calendar. We'll write the word and find the picture of the calendar. Good job. In number 3, the word is picture. Picture. Let's write the word and find the picture for picture. In number 4, the word is workbook. What we're writing on now, we're writing on our workbook. And number 5, door. Door. And our last word is window. Window. Let's write and draw a line to the picture. Good job! Check your answers and we'll keep going. In part B, it says to read and circle. We're going to read the question and the answer and circle the picture that matches the answer. For example, in number 1, the question says, "What's this?" It's a door. Remember, this is one and close. That is one and far away. So, what's this? We need to find the picture that has one thing and that's close. Good, it's this one. Number 2, what's that? Is that close or is it far away? This is close, so that is good, far away. So let's find a picture of a clock that's far away. Good, it's this one. Number 3, what's this? It's a workbook. This is close. So which picture has the picture of a close workbook? Good, the one on the right. In number 4, the question is, what's that? It's a pencil sharpener. So we're looking for the picture of a pencil sharpener that's far away. Far away. What's that? Good, the one on the left. Great job. Let's move on to the next page. On page 5, in part C, we are going to trace and write. In number 1, the question is asking, what's this? Oh, it's a paperclip. Remember, we use it when there's one, and we also use a when there's one. It's a paperclip. Let's trace. In number 2, the question is, what's that? What's that? There's one and it's far away. Ooh, what is that? I know. It's a picture. Let's write. Let's trace our question and write our answer. Great. For number 3 and 4, we need to write the question. First, we need to see, is it close or far? If it's close, we use this. If it's far, we use that. Let's look at the picture. So it's a door. Is it close or is it far? Good, it's far. So we'll ask, what's that? Let's write our question and trace the answer. And for number 4, let's look at the picture. Ooh, what's that? Well, the boy is holding it in his hand, so it's very close. So we will use, good, this. What's this? It's a calendar. Let's write our question and trace and write our answer. Great job! In part D, it says read, trace, and write. The first question is asking, is this a picture? Yes, it is. Let's trace. In number 2, the question is that a workbook? No, it isn't. That's a calendar. Not a workbook. Let's trace. In numbers 3 and 4, we have to write the answers. Let's see. Number 3, is this a clock? Does that look like a clock? No, silly. So our answer will be, no, it isn't. For number 4, the question is asking, is that a window? Yes, it is. Let's write. Excellent job. Let's move on to the next page. On page 6, for part A, we are going to read and match. You're going to match the words to the pictures. For number 1, our word is pencil sharpeners. So we find the picture of the pencil sharpeners and draw the line. For numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, I want you to read the words and find the picture. When you find the picture, make sure you draw the line. Stop the video so you can draw the lines, and we'll check your answers in a jiffy. Okay, let's check our answers. Number 2, calendars is right over here. Number 3, paper clips are right here. And 4, our windows are right down here. For our pictures, they're right over here. Our clocks are all the way over here. Our workbooks are right here. And our doors are right in the middle. Did you get them all right? I knew you could. In part B, we are going to trace and write. Number 1, what are these? Oh, there's 2 and they're close. So we'll say, what are these? Now, for our answer, because there's more than 1, there's 2, we are going to say there. They plus are put together is there. Their calendars. Let's trace. Okay, in number 2, the question is asking, what are those? Remember, there's more than 1. There's 3 of them. And are they close or are they far away? They look pretty far away. So we'll say, what are those? They're windows. Let's trace. For numbers 3 and 4, we are going to write down the answers. Let's look. Oh, very small. Let's zoom in. There's 4, and it's really close. So are we going to use these or those? Good. These. What are these? They're paper clips. Don't forget the S at the end of clips because there's 4. In question number 4, it says, what are Well, there's 2 and they're far away. So will we use these or those? Good job. What are those? They're pictures. Good job. And again, don't forget to add the S at the end of pictures. Let's write. Let's go to the next page. On page 7, we are going to connect, trace, and write. Connect means to 연결하다. In number 1, it says, are those windows? No, they aren't. If you look at this dot and what it's connected to, we see that they are clocks. Let's trace. Number 2 is asking, are these The answer says yes, they are. So let's look at the picture. We're going to go from the question to the picture. Oh, those are paper clips. So our question will ask, are these paper clips? Let's trace and write. Good, and our last question for part C. Pencil sharpeners? Okay, let's go from our question to our picture. Oh. Well, our question needs to be, is it close or far? Really close. So we will use these. Are these pencil sharpeners? Yes, they are. Let's write. Great job. In part D, it says trace, check, and write. You're going to check the pictures and write. Remember, this is one thing that's close. That is one thing that's far away. These are for many things that are close. Those are for many things that are far away. Let's do number 1 together. Are these pictures? Well, we know that they're close. But those aren't pictures, so we'll check. No, they aren't. Let's trace first and check. No, they aren't. Good. For numbers 2, 3, and 4, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to look at the pictures, see, is it one or many, and also, is it close or far? Write down your answers and we'll check together. Let's check your answers. Number 2, are those workbooks? Well, there's many, and they're far away. Yes, they are. Number 3, let's look at the picture. Are those doors? Remember, the doors are far away, so we'll say those. Yes, they are. And number 4, the girl is holding pictures really close, so we'll use these. Are these pictures? Yes, they are. Double check your answers and let's go to the next page. On page 8, you're going to do it by yourself, but I'll tell you what to do. First, in part A, we're going to match and trace. You're going to draw a line from the picture to the letter or the sound. For example, number 1, that is a mop. So we'll trace a line to the letter M. Now from the letter M, we need to find the word mop. Good. For number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, you'll do the same thing. You can do it. For number 1, you're going to find all the words that start with the letter M. For number 2, you're going to find all the words that start with the letter N. Easy, right? Let's go! You did such an amazing job today. We're all done with our Unit 1 workbook. I'll see you next time. Bye!